Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll be talking about how you can monitor your Google ADK usage in your AI agent applications with OpenTelemetry and be able to send data over to SigNoz where you can track them in dashboards. Let's go ahead and get started. Here we have our Google ADK docs pulled up. You can find it on signoz.io, signoz.io/docs/google-adk-observability. To get started, you would need a SigNoz cloud or self-hosted instance. You would need a Python application with Google ADK already installed, and a Google Gemini API key, which you can get from this link right here. To get set up, you'd first need to pip install all of these dependencies, then go ahead and create an agent project, update your env file to include your Google API key, then you would just import the necessary OTel packages in your code, set up traces over here, passing in your service name and your SigNoz ingestion key over here. Also make sure to set your exporter traces endpoint to your correct region over here and replace US with your correct region. You can also do this for metrics and logs as well if you choose to. Then all you have to do is run your Google ADK agent and you'll be able to see all traces, logs, and metrics in SigNoz. Now let's go over to SigNoz and see what this data could look like. Over here, I'm in my traces view, and you can see the variety of traces that we get from our Google ADK usage. Let me click on one of them, and you can see what this trace structure would look like. If you click on any span, you get a rich set of attributes that we're going to display later in our dashboard. And if you click on the LLM span, you get the Gen AI LLM specific metrics. Now in our logs view, we also get a series of logs that are emitted as well. And if you click on any one log, you get a nice detailed view of all the attributes in that log. Now let's go over to our dashboard template that you can get out of the box and see what type of metrics are covered there. As you can see, we have a vast set of metrics that are covered. We can start up here. We track the input and output tokens of all the LLM calls, the error rate over time. We have 3 line charts over time for every single service. We have the token usage, number of requests, and request duration over time. We also keep track of the token distribution by model, as well as the requests by model, as well as the distribution of all the agents that we're calling. Then down here, we have a table for all the different services using Google ADK, along with what languages and the counts. And then we have 2 entry-based tables down here of errors and logs. And if you click on any one entry, it'll take you straight to the associated data. The same goes for errors. If you click on any error, it'll take you straight to the trace where that error originated from. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you could get a good understanding of how you can instrument your Google ADK usage in your AI applications and send data over to SigNoz and visualize that with dashboards. Have a great day. Bye.